Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. The factory exhaust on the JK Wrangler is big, ugly, and quiet, and that is just not okay with us. So today we're going to help our Jeep look and breathe better by installing this MagnaFlow catback exhaust. This MagnaFlow catback exhaust is made of 2.5-inch Mandrel bend stainless steel tubing with a high flow muffler and angle cut tip to give your Jeep a nice look and sound. It comes with everything you need for an easy installation, so today we're going to install it on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Tools you'll need for this installation: a lift or a jack and jack stands, 1/2-inch ratchet, 15mm socket, 18mm socket, 15mm wrench, and you might need an exhaust hanger removal tool. This catback exhaust is pretty simple to install. We have to start off by removing the factory system, which is pretty easy. Just remove this clamp right here on the muffler, then remove the muffler from the two hangers. Loosen the clamp with a 15mm socket. Remove the driver's side hanger from the muffler. Then remove the rubber hanger from the frame mount. With both hangers removed, just twist the muffler and pull it off. Come up to the front of the exhaust now where the front pipe meets the Y pipe and remove the clamp. Now if you have some miles on your Jeep, this clamp might be pretty hard to remove, so you might want to use some penetrating lubricant. Remove the rubber hanger from the front pipe. Then there's one more hanger to remove. Then remove this rubber hanger near the axle. Lower this skid plate by removing the rear two bolts and then loosening the front two. Then come back to the back of the exhaust and twist it to pull it off the front pipe. Bring the exhaust back. Bring it around the skid plate and then bring it forward to remove it. With the factory exhaust out of the way, place the clamp over the Y pipe, then put the rubber hanger over the front pipe. Install it into the Y pipe. Line it up with the notch on the Y pipe. Then install the rubber hanger. Place a clamp over the front pipe. Then install the over axle pipe. Slide the over axle pipe into the hanger. Place a clamp on the over axle pipe, then install the muffler. With the exhaust fully installed, you can tighten the clamps, start at the front, then work your way back. With the exhaust secured now, you can reinstall the skid plate, then your installation's finished. All right, let's hear it. Our MagnaFlow catback exhaust is installed. It looks way better with that big ugly muffler out of the way. It sounds better too. It's definitely louder than the factory exhaust. Installation is pretty easy. It's only going to take about an hour, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.